Thank you so much for joining us on the telecast. Moving on. 18 BJP MLAs have been suspended from Karnataka Assembly for 6 months for disrespecting the chair. House marshals were seen removing legislators. This development comes amid ruckus over Karnataka Cooperation Minister's honey trap charges. The BJP MLAs stormed the well of the House demanding a CBI probe during assembly proceedings. Among those suspended are senior BJP leaders D.H. Patil, CN Ashwath Narayan, senior Vishwanath and Baswaraj, M.R. Patil, Channa Basappa, P. Suresh Gowda and Umanath A. Kotyan, Sharanu Salagar, Shailendra Beldal and Ramamurthy Yashpal, A. Suvarna, B.P. Harish, Bharat Shetty Y and Munarthna Basavaraj Mati Moor, Dheeraj Muni Raju and Chandru Lamani. Meanwhile, a war of words has erupted between the Bharatiya Janata Party and Congress. Let's take a look.
It is anti-democratic. There is no democracy in Karnataka, only anarchy. The ministers in government are honey-trapped and allegation is on the government itself. And the chief minister is playing on both the sides. He has intelligence in his command. For the last 6 months this is going on. Nothing has been done. He is playing both ways. And when this was asked and put an end to this, to bring purity in public life, our MLAs have been thrown out. This is totally undemocratic and they have...
It is completely against the rules, against the 18 members and Bharatiya Janata Party MLAs. They protested against the what is the policy, what is the decision taken by the state government, Siddaramaiah government, regarding 4% Muslim reservation is concerned, that they have taken this as an issue. And it is not protest against the speaker. So, government, CM and government, they ought to have given the hearing of the MLAs, BJP MLAs, then they have to solve the problem. Instead of that, speaker has suspended 18 MLAs. I also worked as a speaker. I am not, if any indiscipline is there, so many indiscipline activities there on that day also.
Because nowhere in the constitution allows any sort of reservation based on the religion. So the decision of the state government to give 4% reservation government contract is totally illegal and it's totally unconstitutional. So Bharatiya Janata Party will take it to the streets. By doing this, they are doing injustice to the Hindus also. They are doing total injustice to Hindus also. Because Chief Minister does not see any poverty in Hindus, why only Muslims? So we strongly oppose this move. Party has already taken a decision, we will fight it out. BJP will protest across the state against this anti-Hindu politics of the ruling Congress government.
लागू किया कौन सा पार्टी? कांग्रेस पार्टी। जनता को पूरा हक को करप्ट किया कौन सा पार्टी? कांग्रेस पार्टी। उस समय अपोजिशन पार्टी लीडर को भी गिरफ्तार किया था कांग्रेस पार्टी। कांग्रेस पार्टी के हम क्या अपेक्षा कर सकता है? उसको कंटिन्यू किया। आज जो 18 अपना विधायकों को सस्पेंड करके हमने क्या डिमांड किया? हनी ट्रैप छोटा विषय है क्या? छोटा मुद्दा है क्या? सीनियर मिनिस्टर उन्होंने आपादन किया हनी ट्रैप का ट्रैप में जस्टिस लोग भी है, सीनियर ऑफिसर्स है, विधायक है, मंत्री लोग है, उसको ट्रैप करने के लिए एक नेटवर्क है, उसको पीछे बड़ा आदमी है, ऐसा उन्हें आरोप किया। आरोप करने के बाद जांच करने के लिए आदेश किया।
I have stood by the constitution. When the chair of the constitution is respected, it's my duty to take to maintain the respect of the constitution. And the allegation made by the parties regarding the injustice, justice, the people of Karnataka and the people of the nation are more knowledgeable, more aware. They have seen what is justice. And I'm sure that they will decide on that.
BJP legislators, including the LOP leader, he said that the kind of a stringent action has been taken by the speaker is unacceptable.
So I said, what can I do on that? I have stood by the constitution. I have done my work.
Do you think, sir, legislators behaved out of the line today?
Yes, that's what I said. It's if the people of Karnataka and the nation who have seen this, they will discern that what the behavior that legislators have done and what I respect the constitutional chair. And it's my duty to stand by this.
It is a shame on democracy. BJP is uncultured party. They have lost the mandate of the people of Karnataka. They doesn't know how to behave. They have become big hooligans. It is a very shame. And in the history of Karnataka politics, I am here from the last 36 years I am in this assembly. At no point of time this type of behavior has not happened.
Demanding for CBI inquiry, these kind of...
What is there? I think if anything is there, it may be there.
Unbecoming of our members to behave like that. They were standing next to the swan and all this. They did everything possible, violated everything possible things in that assembly. So they have been expelled.